This is a good day to hike. Yeah, I'm getting out there, man. We're gonna go get Badger Mountain. Okay. Ooh. Oh my, we've got the rhino horn. Hey. Whew. Okay, so not sure if we can even get out of here to go hiking. So far so good. My son's truck's got 4-wheel drive. What if they plot it? Nope. The main road's not plowed. Guess it's up to us. Alright. Comes a snowplow. Look at this. Ho ho ho. Wow. Woo. Ho ho ho. Okay, there's Badger Mountain up there. That is where we are headed. Okay, so today we're on Badger Mountain, and it's always very windy up here, and mixed with snow. Should be exciting. And there's just a ton of snow. Some of these drifts are really huge. And fortunately, we had my son's truck, 4-wheel drive, and it's blowing and snowing. Just crazy right now. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see out there. We really can't see out there. Visibility is pretty low. Well, we're making some progress. And this I'll keep out, yeah. Sterling Heights, these people here, it's a huge house. It sits up on this hillside. Glows at night. Looks like a, I don't know what it looks like. It's like a star sitting on the hillside. And they own a couple of restaurants in the area. Yeah, so we saw 3 runners just a little while ago. And they were like running like deer across the snow. Phenomenal shape. And here we are. We're out here slogging away in this deep snow. It's crazy. Okay, we hiked for about 15 minutes now, and it's pretty much what it's looked like the whole way. Snow is thinning out, and walking is getting a bit easier, but the wind is picking up, and yeah, I'm getting pretty tired. The wind picking up, it's gotten really cold, but I think we're pretty close to the top. It's like I think over here, as I recall, is about the time I would normally say, well, look at the city down below. We're almost to the ridgeline that'll take us to the radio towers. You can see down there. I'm using my phone because my battery in my GoPro died. I've got another GoPro. I'll use it up at the radio towers. And I've got batteries, but I tell you, I'm too cold to get them out and fiddle with it. But I may have to. Okay, here we are. Made it to the top of Badger Mountain. And as you can see, we have the another cell phone tower back there. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's a radio tower or what. No, I think it's a cell phone tower. So anyway, so it is wind's picked up out here, and man, it is just freezing. Oh, it's so cold. And but we got a couple more towers to check out here. So we've made it to the second set of towers, and you can maybe barely see the one out there that we were just at. It's quite windswept. See the scalloped snow buildup around the fence. This stuck in the fence, frosted over. So cold. Thing's coated with ice. Huh. Oh yeah, we've got these oh wow, like this, the snow's all scalloped. Okay, way up there. See the snow drifts. There we go. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna wrap this video up. We've spent a lot of time up here, and it's getting windier, and the snow's really starting to, like, you know, oh boy, it's just getting bitter. So it's time to head back to the car. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a like. Otherwise, you know, share, subscribe with your friends and family, and I will see you next time.